This intervention is called problem and reaction. It can be used when a student is having an over-the-top reaction to an issue in the classroom. So what you do is, this entire PowerPoint comes with the cutouts to use with this. It's almost like a game board. So what you do is you cut out your reaction card and your problem card, and then your yes or no tokens. And while the child is engaging in the behavior, or after they've calmed down, if they're able to work on this, you work with the child to see where their problem fell on the scale and where their reaction fell. So you use the numbered chart, and there are different areas. So a 10 is hitting and kicking. This is your reaction. A 1 is ignoring it. 2 is deep breath, stop and think and act, friend help, adult help, whining or complaining, ignoring, crying, screaming, and then hitting and kicking. So they would gauge where they fell on this scale with their reaction to the problem, and then how big was the problem. And you'll talk that through with them as the adult and kind of give them a little bit of guidance, and then discuss, did they match? So was it a really big deal and you were hitting and kicking and screaming? And just use that to have that discussion. So you can also mount the chart and the tokens on cardboard and apply Velcro strips to it, so that you can move around all the tokens, and the goal is to work towards independent use of this, and allow the child to use the board while they're either sitting in the timeout or thinking over the issue. Another really good idea for this is to tailor this to fit a specific child. So say their number 10 reaction isn't hitting and kicking, maybe it's biting. Another thing for younger students to add to this board is pictures to visualize, okay, what does my number 7 or 8 reaction look like? This one is ignoring. What does ignoring look like for a kindergartner? So those just might be some good strategies to apply to this specific intervention. And the overall goal is self-awareness and the ability to do this on their own and verbalize and recognize and visualize their reactions, their emotions, and how they're responding to problems.